Hello cuties, welcome back to another video. Today I'm at the dollar store. As always, there's some people here, so it's as always kind of awkward, but I'm just gonna get some skincare stuff and just stock up on things. Yeah, that's about it. What is that? What the hell is this? Swirly soap. This is soap. Okay. I'm stocking up on this one and then just getting some deodorant. That's all out. Hello? Hey, hey. This is the one that I always get. This one, and this one is almost empty, so why not take this one? Okay, look at this. Interesting. Just have some hair stuff here that I don't really buy, but I do get this. Scrub mommy, a little scrub daddy. I wanna try these. Okay, we're in the makeup section. I was stand here for a real long time wondering what the hell do I get here? Like, there's so much stuff, but like you don't need it. I mean, I don't need it. Look at this. I recommend this one. Oh, this one's fucked up. This is the only one because I wanted to get one. I want to get it if it looks like that. Or these. It's for removing your makeup. It's really good. I recommend. I actually do need one of those because mine is a little bit like kind of broken-ish here. I'm not broken, but like I don't know. But I need a new anyways. Oh, look, it's a little mouse. Mouse comb. Cool. Also, I really love this one. I recommend that one. It smells so good. Also for the body, there's a coconut one. It's so good. These are also kind of nice. I only tried this one though, but yeah, they're pretty cheap. They're vegan. We have some food stuff. So I tried this one last time, but I didn't see that it wasn't for the whole foot. But it works, but I wish I found one of those for the whole foot. But I can't see one here, like that's this brand. It's this one though, but it's not I don't think it's a peeling mask. I want a peeling exfoliating mask. What's the difference between those two? It's the exact same price. I found this one here, like at the foot section. That's odd. Okay. Here it is. This one is really nice. I already know what it smells like. I already have a lot of them. But I think I'm gonna get two because I love them. Look at this one. Matcha green tea. Oh. Silly. Looks suspicious. Probably scrunchies. Scrunchy. I like this. Oh, look at this one. Cute. I think I'm gonna get one of those. I already have a white one, but I want a black one. I hate how this feels. Gross. Ugh. Green? Oh. The cleaning aisle. I love the pink stuff. I think it's great. Recommend. Found it. Look at this. Floor cleaner, cream cleaner, bathroom wash up spray. What's the difference between those? I don't understand what's the difference. They're like the same, just this one is small. Titta här. Floor. Window. I think I'm getting the bathroom foam and the window cleaner. Men varför går du iväg när jag har grejer som jag ska lägga i? I wonder what this one smells like. Not really a fan. I don't know, maybe I'm stupid. Can you guys tell me the difference between those? I mean, the Miracle Multi-Purpose Cleaner, the wash-up spray. Like, what is the only that this one is small? I don't get it. Tell me. We're in the kitchen aisle. Deep fryer? Air fryer at the dollar store. How legit is that? $5.20 only. I paid like $2,500. Oh my fucking god. I was standing here. I seriously thought that was a person. Curtains. I don't really need curtains, but it's always fun to look at anyways. And look how cute for the table. We don't have a table anymore, but like I would definitely buy that if I lived alone. I always want to buy blankets, but like no, I have so many blankets. Have you found something? Ugh. Oh, look at Sophie. A random deodorant. American blanket. Disgusting. Ew. Halloween. Wait, and Christmas. When lights. Oh, and there's no one here. Oh, I can't walk here apparently. Oh, Jesus Christ. Okay. Sure. Oh, look. Okay, there's not really much Christmas stuff yet, but understandable. But Halloween. I'm not really a huge fan of Halloween. But I mean, I like Halloween, but celebrating it, I guess. Wait. What I'm trying to say is that I like the whole idea of Halloween. You know what I mean? But like, I don't really celebrate it because I don't really know what to do on Halloween. You know what I mean? I don't have any friends. Like, real life. I mean, you know what I mean. Halloween mug? See you in hell. 20 only. Ooh. See you in hell. What does that mean? See you in hell.
See hell.
Do you want it? Oh, look, there's another Halloween one here. Look, we can take 2. Yes. What is this used for? Salladsbestick. This is for the salad. Look at this one, a little cauldron. Cauldron? Kittel. Heter det så på svenska? Kittel. Cauldron's called kittel på engelska. No, Swedish, sorry. Sorry, what am I saying? Cauldron's called kittel in Swedish. Jesus. Oi. Look at this ghost. Little ghost. I think I want the ghost. Jag ringer vaccine för skyddsfel. I have an UTI. I think that's what it's called when you have an infection in your bladder way. It hurts when I pee. I'm getting this one. Oh my god, little mushrooms. Wait, there's more Halloween stuff here. Not really anything interesting here. Look, mushroom. Mushroom. Look at these little mushrooms. She's little mushroom. Oh, wait. So, you know, I don't like black stuff mostly for my room when it comes to Halloween and autumn. But look at this. They have white ones. Wait, I think I'm getting this. Oh, 120. I'm getting it. White pumpkin. Fits well. Why is it not focusing? Fits well into my room. Oh, I forgot to cover my mouth, but when I sneeze, I don't sneeze out of my mouth, you know? I just like hold it in kinda, but I still sneeze. I don't hold it in, it's not good to hold it in, but you know what I mean. There's more Halloween stuff here, but like party stuff. And I've never thrown a party. Or have I? Teeth for the pumpkin. It's teeth. It has battery and it means it's like moving or something. Yeah, look at this. This is teeth for the pumpkin. We can get those, so we you know, you have it forever, you know. Why not? Oh, look at this. Ew. Ugly. Just like me. Rats, bats, and spiders. Looks like a baby. Look at these nails. We have 2 Yankee candles. This is Yankee candle. Smell it. Pink Island Sunset. That's it's like fresh and like sweet at the same time. And then we have this one, Yankee candle, strawberries and cream. That's the only 2 Yankee candles I have. Hi. I think I would want this in the bathroom.
Kul.
Popcorn. This is so cute, the tiny penis. Look at Nini sure will fit in here. Okay. Hi, I'm back home. I'm gonna do a quick little haul, even though I showed you like most things. My dad got this, some chips. I also got this for Nini's. There are some catnip like in a little bag there, which obviously she's not gonna use that. But this is just cardboard, this thing. I didn't find the bigger ones, but she loves these. Oh, okay, sure. I got those for her. This little ghost. Why not? I got this pumpkin. The mugs, as you saw, the scrunchies, like you saw. These protein bars, I've been drinking like the drink like in my videos sometimes, and then eating those. People were wondering what it is. It's called Pandy. I don't know if it exists anywhere else, but I got a salted caramel sea salt flavor, and then nougat. Is that what it's called in English? Nougat, hazelnut, and then creamy milk flavor. And then I also got these. This is waffle bar, lemon flavor, sugar-free, vegan. Yeah, I want to try that. So I got lemon one and then chocolate one, and then these two. And I'm just gonna put it back in because I don't want it to clutter up everything. I'm thinking of this candle in the bathroom. It smells like fresh, but it's like sweet. And it was only $1.50, which is not bad when it comes to Yankee candles, I don't think. So that's pretty cool. Obviously the spray thingies. I don't think I got anything here that you haven't seen. These drinks, I got 3 of these. Also Pandy, pineapple flavor, I haven't tried. I can actually try it now. Definitely smells like pineapple. I think it needs to be colder, like it's fine. I feel like the green one is still my favorite. What flavor is that? Pear? Okay, it was okay. Scrub daddy, scrub mommy. Yeah, everything else in here, I literally showed you. Pens, pencils, whatever it's called, markers. I actually want to try this one too, the lemon one. This one. Fuck is up with my hair? Okay. These are pretty cheap. Smells nice. Yeah, I mean, it's good. Okay. Thank you so much for watching this video. I know that you guys like my dollar store videos, so I hope you enjoy this one. And I'll see you in my next video. I don't know when I'm posting this. I'll try to post this like maybe now. Not now, but like today. Maybe tomorrow. It's the 23rd September, Friday today. It's Bruce Springsteen's birthday. Happy Bruce Day. I was gonna say happy birthday, Bruce Springsteen. He's turning 24. 74. I would still smash. 100%. 1000% would still smash. He would not be the oldest one though. Kidding. See you in my next video. Don't forget to check out my ASMR channel, mish.youtube. Link down below. See you in my next one. Love you, bye.